Things can change in ministry, and we get it. That's why we've tried to create these spaces and classrooms as flexibly as possible so that it can shift when things shift at your church. Let's say that you're just going through something simple like a brand change in your kids' ministry, and you want to update the names of these spaces to reflect that. We'll go ahead and click on our elementary space, and in order to change the name, all we have to do is go over to the Settings tab and change the name here. Let's say that we're going to call it the Kids Zone. Hit Save Changes. Then when we click on our spaces up here, you'll see it's reflected. You might want to do something like this just to make spaces simpler for your teachers or volunteers to access. If they know they serve in the Kids Zone, then that might be the easiest way to put that in there. Let's say that the Kids Zone is going to go away, or maybe we just need to start fresh with this space. In order to delete a space, all you need to do is click on Settings, scroll down, and click this big red button that says Delete Space. Confirm that. And now that space is removed, just be sure you only do that if you're positive that you don't want that material anymore.